people tend to overestimate and also underestimate success and failure, I find. Here we are partway through November, and we're still dealing with a challenging stock market as we were in October, and I guess in the case of Canada, as we have been for the entire year, particularly in certain sectors. And as value investors, we continue to, try and take advantage of the opportunities that are laid up by a weak market, and look at new securities as well as average the cost of some of the securities that we already own. And you hear a lot about investors' anxiety and nervousness. And I just wanted to make the point today that this is a two-sided relationship. So on the other side of that relationship is a professional who is trying to do the best he can for his investors, and that dealing with other people's money when times are good is a very rewarding experience. Dealing with other people's money in challenging times is a burden, one that we gratefully bear in exchange for the good times, but nonetheless, it can be a burden. And my advice to investors who might be feeling panicky or concerned about their portfolios is to sit down with their portfolio manager, and preferably face-to-face, and go through the portfolio, look at the securities, have your portfolio manager explain to you why he believes each is an opportunity, and challenge him. Ask him, tell him you're going to challenge him on where you think there might be incomplete thinking or risks that he hasn't perceived, and hear his responses. And if it all makes sense to you, then just relax and let him continue to do his job. If it doesn't make sense, then you've got another challenge. But I just wanted to make the point that it's a relationship. It's a two-sided relationship. The stresses and the joys are felt on both sides of that relationship.